Afternoon. I'm Randy, here working on the B-17. What we're doing today is welding up flap hinge supports. It's two pieces. We're going to make one out of it off of the drawing. These are 4130 steel. Buy the tube and then buy the sheet and pattern cut it to where we've got the proper dimensions, and then we'll go ahead, we'll weld them up. We'll bead blast them, clean them up, inspect them, and paint them, seal them up, put them on. These carry from trailing edge to trailing edge on the wing. He's taking a picture. I got a hole there to fill. But on the trailing edge ribs, these tubes sit. There's 5 stations that have a tube in them, 2 tubes in each of those stations, and that's what the flaps are actuated from. That's the fixed point when you retract up into the wing. Well, one edge holds, one tube holds the hinge, the other tube is the actual driver.
Now
So,
these were these casted before or welded?
they had some that were formed aluminum and some that were made out of steel. Depends on which drawing and which fitting you're looking at. So these haven't stood the test of time. There's a lot of pitting in these, even though these have been cleaned up and painted. So we're replacing a lot of the steel ones that showed their age. We'll put brand new ones on.